Hey again, John Kelly from America's Homeplace coming to you from Anderson, South Carolina. Today I wanted to talk to you about our kitchens. As you can see behind me, some standard features of our kitchens include our end cabinets are going to be stepped up in profile height, and then in the center we kind of step those back down. It creates that offset so it's got a little more pizzazz to it. The center cabinet is going to be an angled cabinet with a nice glass door on there as well. You can see the hardware on there, or knobs and pulls that are on the doors and drawers. Those are going to be an included feature as well. The crown molding on top is an included feature. The granite here that this customer has chosen, very complementary color with the cabinets as well. There are many different colors of cabinets and granites and combinations that you can choose from. This Peninsula, standard feature in this floor plan. Some folks might remove that and turn it into an island. Here they've left it as a great Peninsula for them. As you can see, a lot of different options and choices that you can make when it comes to the color and personalization of your kitchen. Some standard options that we include in the Anderson office are going to be soft close doors and drawers. The doors are also constructed with a dovetail fashion that gives it a much stronger corner to hold up for a long, long time and many years to come. So come see us at America's Homeplace in Anderson, or go online at americashomeplace.com to see what we can do for you today. Thanks for looking.